finally we have taken a break, and that break is for breakfast. We are tired as hell. It was a chaotic drive, especially because of the traffic on the Mumbai-Pune expressway. But anyways, finally it's around 8:15 a.m. and we have reached this place. This place is our go-to place whenever we go to Goa, Tarkali, Malvan, Devbag. This is where we have our breakfast, and this place is Hotel Harsh. On Google Map you can find it as Hotel Sai as well. It's around 15-20 minutes ahead of Karad city or the Karad bridge. If you want a typical Maharashtrian item for breakfast, then this is the best place. Now we need to go back all the way around 15 or 20 minutes because we need to take a right now left from Karad to Ratnagiri. Basically we will be taking the route from Karad to, I suppose, Malkapur, and then from Ambaghat to Ratnagiri. The roads there are bad, so not sure how it is right now, but yeah, I mean along the way we can see that. We had a nice breakfast, so now time to move. See you in the next video clip.
So on the way we spotted this wonderful temple on a small hilltop. We wanted to take a small halt, so we stopped and took a flight. Now talking about the road, instead of going back to Karad, map showed us another way. From hotel near Pet we took right. The name of the road is Malkapur Shirala Road. If you are going to take that route, then please stay on that route, as Google put us through some village roads as it was the shortest route. But the roads were not good, roads were narrow, some patches were really bad, some sections actually went through village houses. But the good thing about these roads were the scenic beauty, the morning village life, beautiful farms and so on. In fact, we spotted a beautiful peacock. We were doing around 20 kmph. We stopped like 10 feet away from it, and the peacock was crossing the road like there is no one around. Amazing. And somehow we managed to come back on track at Malkapur. From Malkapur to Ambaghat, the roads were okay, but Ambaghat road was horrible. Unexpected potholes plus the road construction due to recent landslides. It was a chaotic drive. The roads from Ambaghat to Hathkhamba were bad either. God knows why these internal roads in Maharashtra are in such bad state. We got delayed due to bad roads, but somehow managed to reach before evening.
Alright, so we have reached. This is our hotel room, Kohinoor Samudra Beach Resort. This is in Ratnagiri, near Bhate Beach. So this is a kind of a room tour for you guys, those who want to see how the rooms are of this particular resort. So halat ekdam bekar hai. I guess they had some issues during pandemic, so that is why the property is kind of, not well maintained. So you can see all these patches, you can see the patches on the door as well. So yeah, but yeah, they have maintained the cleanliness, that is for sure. Okay, अरे वाह, ऑटोमेटिक लाइट, अरे वाह क्या बात है. देखते हैं बाथरूम. ओके, बाथरूम दिखाना पड़ेगा. That's the mirror over there. This is wash basin. Okay, towels है. Okay, bathtub, and of course this is there. Okay, clean है. That is what we need. Okay, so they have provided the dustbin. This is the refrigerator. खाली है. There are no complimentary drinks. Of course they have provided 2 water bottles. Those are complimentary. But फ्रिज की हालत भी खस्ता है. यहाँ पे रस्ट लगी हुई है. Okay, this is AC. इतना बड़ा रूम है, बाप रे. ये AC सफाई करेगा कि नहीं पता नहीं, but let's see. Okay, then again we have the rack over here where you can keep your luggage. TV wall mounted नहीं है. They have given this tea maker, which is nice. We have mirror, sitting arrangements, and then we have, ये क्या है अभी बेड, मुझे पता नहीं. ये लार्ज बेड है, मतलब डबल बेड क्या बोलते हैं, जो भी है, मतलब इनफ फॉर 2 people. रूम सीम्स टू बी वेरी वेल लीट. अनलाइक बॉगमोलो बीच रिसोर्ट, वहाँ पे सिर्फ 3 बल्ब्स थे, बट यहाँ पे आई गेस प्रोविज़न है
लाइटिंग अच्छी लग रही है. And then this is the extra bed we did not demand, but I guess this is a part of a package. And then of course amazing sea view. अभी GoPro में it might look far because of the wide lens, but हाँ मतलब normal eyes के लिए pleasant है. You can have your tea or snacks, even dinner, lunch, and have the amazing view over here. यहाँ पे swimming pool भी दिख रहा है. So that's the Ratnagiri city. Not sure if you guys can see that, but that is the lighthouse over there. Okay, रिसोर्ट में इतना भीड़ नहीं है. आई एम नॉट श्योर, अभी तो हमने चेक इन किया है, सो मे बी विल कम टू नो. और हाँ, इंटरकॉम है, दे हैव दिस जो आप डायल करके आप हेल्प ले सकते हो. एंड दिस इज़ देयर मेनू. बट हम लोग तो रेस्टोरेंट में जाएंगे. अच्छा खासा लग रहा है. चाइनीज़ को ना खाते हैं रत्नागिरी में आके. Alright, so I thought थोड़ा अंधेरा करके I'll switch on the lights and I'll let you know guys how it looks. So ceiling lights are very nice. ये कैसे ऑन करते हैं अभी तक मुझे पता नहीं चला. I couldn't figure that out. But yeah, I mean the bedside lights are also nice. This one is also nice. And then this is the best touch. I'm not sure why these days the hotel rooms, I mean they do not have the wall clock. Ideally they should have it. ये पर्दे सरकाते सरकाते हालत ख़राब हो गई. आई मीन दीज आर सो ह्यूज. और अनलाइक नॉर्मल विंडो, आई मीन ये थोड़ा एकदम ऐसा वाला फील आ रहा है. क्या बोलते हैं वो, राजस्थान के महल वाला. दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस टच. थोड़ा क्लासी फील हो रहा है. सीम्स लाइक द प्रॉपर्टी इज़ not well maintained because of pandemic, as you can see over here. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सीलन है एंड देन कलर गया हुआ है. देन यहाँ पे कलर गया हुआ है. They are right now focusing on their business, I suppose. This is by the way really good property. I mean I had been following this property for so many years. यहाँ पे कभी आना नहीं हुआ. I used to stay at some other properties near Bhate beach like Ratnasagar beach resort. एक हो गया और वहाँ पे ही और एक दो रिसोर्ट है वहाँ पे. और रत्नागिरी में होटल्स में रुका हूँ मैं. Whenever I used to visit रत्नागिरी, this is for the first time I have visited this property. क्योंकि बाकी किसी प्रॉपर्टी में रूम्स अवेलेबल नहीं थे. आई जस्ट विश कि ये प्रॉपर्टी का बिजनेस ग्रो बिकॉज दिस इज़ ए रियली नाइस प्रॉपर्टी. कोई पेड प्रमोशन नहीं है. मुझे 100 व्यूज़ भी नहीं आते. बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट एंड जेन्युइन इनफ so that because what happens is whenever I try to go somewhere or try to look for any room, you know, I try to search it on YouTube कि किसी ने तो रूम टूर डाला होगा, किसी ने तो रूम टूर डाला होगा. ऐसे जगह के लिए कोई रूम टूर ज़्यादा मिलता नहीं है. so yeah, so I hope this video helps. रूम तो बहुत ही बड़ा है. I really like the room. स्पेशियस है, एरी फील होता है और क्लोस्ट्रोफोबिक नहीं लगता. आई गेस दे हैव देयर ओन टचेस एडेड टू द रूम. होपफुली हमारा स्टे अच्छा हो. ऑलराइट, ओके. एंड द गुड टच इज़ दिस वाटर बॉटल्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. Alright, so the lunch is done and this is where we are right now. This is the sunset point, a part of the hotel property we can say, and the view from here is mind-blowing. That's Bhate beach, the famous Bhate beach. Look at the view. So if you are a sunset lover like me and you just want to spend an amazing evening watching the sunset, then probably this is the best place. Look at this. Wow.
अमेजिंग. सो ये मेरा बैक टू बैक विजिट हो गया जहाँ से ऐसे सी का व्यू आता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट बॉगमोलो बीच रिसोर्ट एंड नाउ दिस. वाओ, द लोकेशन इज़ माइंड ब्लोइंग. आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू फ्लाई द ड्रोन बट यहाँ पे बहुत सारे चील उड़ रहे हैं और गोवा में मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ठीक नहीं रहा चील और ड्रोन ये कॉम्बिनेशन का. सो आई डोंट वांट टू रिस्क. Just to give you the overview, this is the Bhate beach. This is a very famous beach in Ratnagiri. वहाँ पे वो लाइट हाउस है. सनसेट यहाँ से होगा. वहाँ पे वो साइड पे we have table point. They call it as table point जहाँ से people can go and view the sunset. Right now we are in the hotel property but not everyone is allowed to be here, so they can go there. There is that table view point or table point